Hey guys, how are you all? Today we are going to do articles indefinite. Articles indefinite are the articles which there is no information about the object. Okay, so if I mention some, the articles in the form are very unspecific. Unspecific. I am giving you an example. This is a car. Why? The car is not having any specific information. There is no specific information in the sentence about car. If I say this is a car of Mr. Rohan, this is the car of Mr. Rohan, why I'm saying the, because there's information about the car that this is for of Mr. Rohan. I'm having some information in the sentence. Same is here in French. Way in the French sentences, I would be having information. Then I will be using defend, which I'll be telling you in the next video. And in defend, I'll be telling in this video. And in this, we are using this where we are not having any information as unspecific. It is very unspecific, no information about the object. In French, we use specific terms for masculine, for feminine, and for plurals for vowels. Here is un for feminine masculine singular, une yun for feminine singular, des they for masculine feminine plural. So here des is some, it is common, and and yun is and an, and it is not common at all. It is different. Is for masculine and yun is for feminine. Now examples are stilo. Why have I mentioned because stilo is masculine, so is for masculine. Yun truze, yun why? Because truze is feminine. They stilos are plural. S is mentioned over here, that is why stilos are plural. So here's are some examples for you. It must be not clear to you. I'm giving a clear description to you by using boy and girl. A garso. Garso is boy. A boy. So boy is masculine. So I have mentioned a over here. Yun feel. Feel is a girl. A girl. Girl is feminine. I have used yun. Army. Army. It is masculine friend. See here no e is there. It is masculine. Masculine friend. So yun army. Yun army because it is a feminine friend. He is there. You have learned a new word in this. Army is a masculine friend and army is feminine friend. Okay, now des is common in both. The garçon, the filles, the armies. Okay, um, they you have to pause the video and answer the following question I have given over here for you. This is a yun de voture. You have to tell that what I'll be using with voture. Yun de. You have to just identify that voture is feminine, masculine, or vowel, and just tell the question. Now check your answer. The answer is yun. Why? Voture is feminine. Okay, don't be confused. 99% of the words ending with e are feminine, but e 1% is exceptions. So you have to remember them. You have to learn them. By the passage of time, you'll be getting them. Okay. Now, yun de is for masculine, yun is for feminine, they is for plural. See, I have mentioned some words over here with which are with See, votre, e, that is why feminine, e, that is why feminine. Call me e, that is why feminine. But here in this is there is no e, but is mentioned. Why? It must be in 1% of exception. You have to learn them by the passage of time. You will be learning them. So remember that this season is not ending with e, but it is feminine. Now this is plurals, and here, sorry, here it is masculines one. I told you that here e is not mentioned here with army, so it is masculine. Solil, 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 and a livre a book. Okay, so this is clear. Livre is ending with e, but it is masculine. A livre. Article in therefore was only this much, and therefore is left. I know I'll be doing this in the next video. I'm not doing both of them together to actually, I don't want to create any burden on you. You will do the things one by one, so it will be clearer to you. So try to solve more and more questions, more and more assignments on in therefore. if indefinite will be clear to you, then we'll be moving to definite, and definite is really very easy like indefinite. So please do make the thumb blue and do subscribe to my channel. Next video will be coming soon. Bye bye.